Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into how you can use UPBASE to manage your museum operations more effectively. So let's get started. First up, go to the UPBASE platform and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. This is your first step because UPBASE is the management tool you'll be using, and having an account is necessary to get started. Once you've logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find an array of features designed to streamline your museum operations. We're heading here because it's the central hub for managing all your tasks. Next up, it's time to create your first project. This is where you'll specify what you're working on, like an upcoming exhibit or a restoration project. This is important because it helps to organize your tasks and keep track of your progress. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the task creation feature. Here, you can create, assign, and manage tasks related to your project. You can even set deadlines and priority levels. The reason we do this is to ensure that all tasks are accounted for and monitored, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Once your tasks are set up, you might want to take advantage of the calendar feature. This allows you to visualize your project timeline and keep track of important dates. This helps us because it provides a clear overview of your schedule, helping you stay on top of everything. Finally, explore the reporting feature. Here, you can generate custom reports on your project status, task completion, and more. This is key because it helps you monitor your progress and make data-driven decisions. And there you have it. You're now ready to use UPBASE for managing your museum operations. Remember, the key to effective management is staying organized and on top of your tasks. And with UPBASE, you'll have all the tools you need to do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.